On today's menu, an amazingly delicious recipe you definitely won't keep calm in curry on. Fragrant basil curry rice. Pat dry about 200 grams of extra firm tofu and place in a bowl. Use a fork to mash the tofu into a crumble. Three pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped.
That's pretty much it for the prep. Really simple. Now this is a delicious, really smoky, not too spicy, homemade chili oil. It's just so aromatic. I made this in the previous episode and I always have this on hand because it's just incredible. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out and make this really easily at home as well.
Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 3 tablespoons chili oil. Garlic and ginger. Tofu. Saute for 5 to 8 minutes. One tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Saute for another couple of minutes. One and a half cups leftover basmati rice. 1 tablespoon curry powder. Half tablespoon soy sauce. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. $10 fresh Thai basil. Turn the heat off and fold in the basil. It's really important to turn off the heat to fold in that basil because we don't want to overcook it and have it lose its kind of really beautiful, fragrant, aromatic flavor. Plate. This is a curry powder spice blend that I always have on hand that I absolutely love. I ordered this from a Canadian company based out of British Columbia called OM Foods. And I also order a whole bunch of other dry goods from them. Absolutely love the company. Everything is certified organic. This is not sponsored, but maybe one day. This particular curry powder has turmeric, coriander, cumin, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper, fenugreek, cayenne, mustard, and cardamom. Like I said, it's beautifully golden and Absolutely love having this on hand. It's super, super convenient. In case you're curious about this company, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out as well. You can now make this incredibly hearty dish with absolute confidence. Bring about 2 cups of water to boil. This is some amazing, delicious Japanese kombu, also known as the king of all seaweed because it's really nice, thick, and really delicious. It's going to add that bit of a salty, oceany flavor to the fried rice, but first we're going to rehydrate this with some hot water. Rehydrate the kombu for 5 to 10 minutes. Half a red onion, diced. $75 grams of Napa cabbage, chopped. One small carrot, diced. Two sticks green onion, finely chopped. When the kombu is rehydrated, chop into small pieces. Right, so the kombu is definitely not traditional, but hey, never be afraid to try something new. Seaweed is widely used in Japanese cooking, and some of the most common ones are kombu and nori. Non-stick pan, medium heat, 3 tablespoons grapeseed or vegetable oil. Saute the onions and carrots for a couple of minutes. Napa cabbage. Green onion and kombu. Saute for a couple of minutes. Half cup edamame and half cup corn. Saute for about a minute. One and a half cups leftover sushi rice. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes and it's done. Plate. Sprinkle with some black sesame seeds and white sesame seeds. You can now make this delicious plate of fried rice with absolute confidence. 1 cup rice. In this episode, I'm using sushi rice. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. One cup water. medium-high heat. When the water starts to bubble, turn the heat to medium-low. Give the rice a good stir, then cover and cook for 15 minutes. Of course, if you have a rice cooker that does everything for you, you don't have to cook the rice on the stove top. I don't have a rice cooker, so I'm cooking the rice on the stove top, and while that's cooking, I'm going to take that time to prep everything else. Pat dry 200 grams of extra firm tofu. Mash the tofu with a fork until it becomes a crumble. One onion, finely diced. Four to 5 pieces of garlic, finely diced. Three sticks green onion, finely chopped. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off and let the rice continue to steam for an extra 10 minutes. That's basically all there is to it. So incredibly easy. Just have to make the sauce and we're good to start cooking. By the way, if you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then you'll definitely want to check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the brand new Cook with Confidence Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these guys out or get your signed copy. 1.5 teaspoons cane sugar. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons dark soy sauce, a splash of toasted sesame oil. Mix. Now this is definitely not traditional and it's optional, but if you have this on hand, it definitely is highly recommended because this is the amazing chili oil that will add that little bit of spiciness but an incredible smoky aroma. It is really incredible. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out and make this very easily at home. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 3 tablespoons chili oil. Tofu, onions, and garlic. Saute for 7 to 8 minutes. Pour in the sauce and saute for another couple of minutes. Green onion. Saute for another 30 seconds and it's done. generously plate the lovely steamed rice along with the tofu crumble. Top with some sesame seeds, and you can enjoy this plate of rice with absolute confidence.
It's unbelievable how easy this was to put together, and man, that is so incredibly beautiful. That is so incredibly flavorful, and I absolutely love just kind of the interactiveness of mixing the fluffy white rice with that incredibly flavor-packed topping. The tofu really adds that substantial meatiness of that topping, and the soy sauce just adds that salty, you have that sweet from the cane sugar, which also helps further caramelize that saute. And then you have the bit of a spiciness, but really smoky aroma from the chili oil. And of course you have the dark soy sauce that really gives this crumble that beautiful caramel kind of brown color. That splash of toasted sesame oil also further flavors that incredible chili oil. The green onions adds the sort of a freshness, and it's really amazing that the one entire onion literally just disintegrates into this crumble along with all the garlic. And it makes a big difference when you kind of take your time to really cook down those onions, garlic, the tofu, and really give it that nice, beautiful brown sear. The rice vinegar and the sauce adds a little bit of that tanginess, but man, just being able to enjoy this with some really nicely fluffy and steamed white rice just makes this an incredible dish. Like I always say, it's fast to make, but furious in flavor. And if you love easy and simple, but delicious recipes like this, then definitely check out that vegan ramen cookbook or the brand new Cook with Confidence cookbook that was published just recently. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, get your signed copy. And of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.